Nick Vujicic was born in 1982 in Australia. His full name is Nicholas James Vujicic. He was born with a rare condition called tetra amelia syndrome. This means he was born without arms and legs. His parents were shocked and sad when they saw their baby. They did not expect this. But they loved Nick very much. Life was very hard for Nick when he was a child. He could not do many things that other children could do. He could not walk, write, or eat by himself. He also felt lonely and different. Some kids laughed at him. Some kids bullied him. Nick felt very sad. When he was only 10 years old, he thought about ending his life. He felt like he had no hope. But then something changed. Nick started to think about what he could do instead of what he could not do. He learned to use his small foot to do many things. He could write, type on a computer, brush his teeth, and even swim. He also had a loving family who supported him. They helped him believe in himself. Nick found hope and purpose through his Christian faith. He believed that God had a plan for him. He believed that his life had meaning, even without arms and legs. This helped him become strong inside. As he grew older, Nick decided he wanted to help other people. He wanted to share his story and give hope to others. So he started speaking at schools, churches, and events. People were surprised to see a man with no arms or legs standing in front of them and smiling. But when Nick spoke, people listened. His words were full of hope, love, and inspiration. Nick said, "If you can't get a miracle, become one." He believed that anyone can make a difference. His message was, never give up, no matter how hard life is. Nick finished school and went to college. He got a degree in accounting and financial planning. But he chose to be a motivational speaker. He started an organization called Life Without Limbs. He traveled to many countries and spoke to millions of people. He helped people with depression, disabilities, and other struggles. Nick also wrote books. His first book was called Life Without Limits. In the book, he shared his life story and how he overcame his problems. The book became very popular and helped many people. He wrote more books after that, including ones for children. Even though Nick has no arms or legs, he did many amazing things. He learned to swim, surf, play sports, and even skydive. He showed the world that nothing is impossible if you have the right attitude. Nick also found love. In 2012, he married a woman named Kane. They have 4 children together. Nick is a happy husband and father. His family gives him more strength and joy. Nick says that his life is not perfect, but he is grateful. He says, "I don't need arms and legs to be happy. I need love, hope, and faith." Today, Nick continues to travel the world, speak to people, and share his message. He tells everyone, "You are beautiful just the way you are. Don't give up. Your life has meaning." Lessons from Nick's story. Never give up. Even when life is hard, you can keep going. Believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think. Be grateful. Focus on what you have, not what you don't have. Help others. Sharing your story can change lives. Dream big. No matter your situation, you can achieve great things. Nick's story shows us that our body may be broken, but our spirit can still be strong. He is a true example of courage, faith, and love.